hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I'm sharing a video that I had put out in over on my Instagram and on my DIY channel's community board to see if you guys wanted to see it, and the majority of you said yes, so I thought I share this video in a spirit of Christmas in July. Instead of doing another decorate with me video or sharing material that I already shared, I wanted to kind of talk to you about my process of planning for the holidays. I love Christmas, I love fall as well, so I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but I love Christmas and it is a very big job for me to decorate my house. I typically start decorating in November just to kind of, first it's because of the YouTube and to give you guys tons of ideas, and second it's because there's so much to do and I don't want to enjoy it for a very short period of time. And also in December, once the holidays are approaching and getting closer, I want to be able to do lots of entertaining and spending time with my family. I don't want to be concentrating too much on decorating. I hope that makes sense. So I have a process on how I plan for this and how I prepare for this, so I wanted to share that with you. I made some notes just so I don't forget what to tell you about. I also have a holiday planner that I use for entertaining, if I'm hosting a dinner party. My birthday's in December as well, so I might have a birthday party or I will just have friends over. Typically I don't get to host anything for family over Christmas except Christmas morning, but that's just for 4 of us. But for the rest of the time it's my mom and my mother-in-law, and they insist on doing it themselves. So I have this planner where I write everything down. In this planner I also use it for addresses, if I have any new ones to add, any new movies I might want to watch with the family. I have a list for that. Gifts, if my sisters and my sister-in-law give me a list for their children, I'll include that in there, just so I have kind of an overview of what I need to buy. I also write down things throughout the year that my kids might mention that they want. Typically at this age it's just money, but you know, if something does come across, I'll write it down so that way I can refer back to it. I have free printables over on my blog, which I will include in the description box if you want to create a planner for yourself as well. Not only do I have a Christmas planner notes, but I also have a fall, like Thanksgiving planner, and there's Easter, as well as just a general party planner. So they're all free printables that I will link in the description box if you want to print those out. I will also have some printables in there under a different post on how to prep and plan for your Christmas decor. So I have 4 large Christmas trees. I am planning on adding one more, maybe not a full-size one, into the corner of my basement now that I have rearranged it and it's no longer a playroom. It's more of a rec room, so I would like to add a Christmas tree here. I just don't think it's going to be a full size because there's not a lot of space, but it will be a bigger one. So I know I'm gonna need some ornaments for that. So I already started researching Pinterest and just looking at different blog posts and seeing which direction I want this tree to go. So I will make a Pinterest board, pin stuff, and then I will also print stuff out and make almost like a planning board, kind of what it would look like. And then if there's anything that I want to change out from last year that I wasn't really happy about, I will start working on that as well. I kind of have themes going throughout different rooms, different color schemes. So if there's anything that I have made notes of last year in my planner that I would like to buy for this year, I refer back to that and start searching for those items. That way I don't overspend and buy things that I don't need, because I'm already have so much and I don't want to increase the amount of bins I have for my decor as well. At this time, I will, well, not quite at this time, but closer, probably around Halloween, I will go into my bins and just kind of go through them and see if there's anything that I did not use last year, and I will kind of look at it and think about it and see if I can donate it so other families have a chance to use them for their Christmas decorating. So just little steps like that, but the most important thing is, like I said, I create kind of a Pinterest board of what I want things to look like. I write down things that I can buy. I hit up dollar stores early. I also hit up Michael's, because if Michael's has Christmas items out this early, it's most likely their last year's stock. And if there's anything that I like, I try and grab it, because by the time the full Christmas season rolls around, it will all be gone. So I try to kind of, if there's anything I like, I will buy, and if I need it, I will buy it. So just to kind of give you an idea, my front entrance is more of a woodsy, whimsical area, and then my living room kind of pulls through from that, but kind of goes into the winter wonderland, because that's what my dining room is. And then my family room is more traditional, and my kitchen is one second. No. And my kitchen is a gingerbread. And then upstairs I have a Disney tree, and then downstairs, like I said, I still haven't quite decided how I want that to go. So I will have to figure that out, and that's where I'm at now. I'm just trying to figure out how I want my downstairs to look, and which direction do I want the decor to go. So this was a nice and short video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like these type of videos, I can totally go over my fall decor plans and ideas with you as well. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, so that way I know that you liked it. And if you think there's anybody that would find this video helpful, make sure you share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And I also want to take a minute to thank each and every one of you for following along and subscribing. I had finally crossed over 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for you all for taking the time to press that play button and giving me your support. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.